song, and it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how I grew my baby girl's hair. So Azrya started going bald at age 6 months. Like literally I felt like it happened overnight. I'm not even joking guys. So I started treating her hair with my growth oil alongside with Aunt Jackie's product. I'm going to show you all of that in this video. So this video is at literally a month apart from this video. So between this video and the recent video is 3 months apart. So in all, this is the result of me using my growth oil after 6 months. I started using my oil on Azrya's hair when she was 6 months old, and now she's a year old. So yeah, these are the Aunt Jackie's product that I use on her hair. So I use this leave-in conditioner and this hair moisturizer and also my oil. Guys, do not sleep on this oil. I mixed this oil myself. You guys have seen the results in 6 months. Trust me, it's really good. So anyways, this is the conditioner that I use in her hair, and what I normally do is I mix it with vitamin E oil. This is just to add extra moisture and oil in her hair when I'm conditioning it. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the wash process. Like Azrya hates getting her hair washed. She just prefers her dad to me. So there's going to be a bit of tears, but just ignore her. She's just a drama queen. So yeah, the first thing I do is to shampoo her hair. Then after, I condition it and I leave it in for about 10 minutes. So whilst the conditioner is in her hair, what I do is that I just give her a bath. So by the time I finish giving her a bath, it will be time for me to wash the conditioner out of her hair, and obviously with a little help for my baby boy. But yeah guys, let me show you the growth. This is just amazing. Like look at how long my baby girl's hair is, and this is literally 6 months. I'm not joking, I promise. 6 months of using my growth oil. Guys, do not sleep on my oil. I do ship worldwide. I make this oil myself. It's all organic, pure, good for skin, good for hair, good for children. It's really good guys. So anyway, let's get straight into the video. So here I'm just putting the leave-in conditioner in her hair. As I said, Azrya is a drama queen, so just ignore the tears. And I'm just going to moisturize her hair now. It's really important to make sure that you moisturize your hair and also use good leave-in conditioners. So now I'm going to be putting my oil in her scalp. Guys, I'm saying scalp, not hair. So I put it in her scalp, and whatever oil that is left in my hand, that is what I massage through her scalp onto her hair. So the main thing that I do is to concentrate on her scalp, not on her hair. So after moisturizing her hair, I'm just going to give her a quick hairstyle because she's not really having it today. So after styling her hair, I'm just going to oil her scalp one more time with my growth oil and just massage it through her hair. Guys, can you see how moisturized her hair and her scalp is? This is how your hair should be looking after a wash day, and always make sure you stay on top of moisturizing your hair and your scalp. So yeah guys, this is just 6 months of me using my growth oil, and look at how beautiful my baby girl's hair is. So yeah, if you need to purchase my oil, just contact me. I'll leave my details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Say cheese. Say hello. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say see you soon. You gonna give them a kiss? Kiss? Mwah, good girl. Uh-oh, what happened? Say cheese. Cheese. Hey. Bye. Bye.